Folks, you are watching EZRA ONDARA TV. My name is EZRA ONDARA. Today is another episode of House Tours, and for those customers who have been asking me, EZRA, please find me a 2-bedroom unit, find me a 3-bedroom unit. Now I have brought you to exactly that which you have been looking for. Behind me is an apartment with 2-bedroom units and also 3-bedroom units. All right, it's a combination, it's a combo. All right, and there are just few of them. I mean, 1 2 3 1 2 3. We have got 3 units 2-bedroom and 3 units 3-bedroom. I mean, they are that few and they are super impressive, exquisite. The finishing in here is awesome. I'll tell you the price later. So first, mi napendanga we go in kwanza, unaona pale ndo unaona ile kitu ambayo unataka kununua. Then of course the number is always on the screen hapo. Give me a call, alafu nikulete mahali hapa and you get to settle. Sawa sawa. So without further ado, tuende ndani jamani tuangalie. Very nice. Oh, one more thing. We are in Barnabas in Nakuru. Haya, now let's go. So when you get here, on the left side you have the 3-bedroom units and on the right 2 bedrooms. The stairs are really wide, that moving in your items will be smooth. You know, there won't be a dismantling of furniture and beds so that they can get inside the house. You know, it is always stressful, but here there won't be a problem. Each house has this lockable exterior gate for added security, plus a wide front balcony just before you get inside the house. And now your living room, very spacious, you know, mega space like the Mercedes-Benz Actros 7546. Mega space, but it is like so that at that end, adjacent to the kitchen, you can set up your dining area, and that leaves enough room for a 5-seater in your living area. Beautiful lights overhead already installed, and a myriad of electric sockets around the walls. You can peep inside the kitchen from this window, but of course there's a way to the kitchen. The walls are tiled white, and there's actually a good contrast between the walls and the floor. They also used some classy MDF for the shelves, and I really love how the top shelves open, you know, like the ones in an aircraft. They went further to provide a pantry plus a designated area for a fridge. Will your fridge fit in this space? Will it fit in this space? Mine will. I mean, it's not too large. I don't know about you. Let me know in the comments. Out of the kitchen, another long balcony. On one end, there's a tap plus electric socket for installation of washing machine, you know. Let's check out the bedrooms. This is one, really spacious with nice wall lamps. Oh, look at the wardrobes. And even the organization, amazing. Directly opposite is the common restroom and bathroom. They are separate. Moving on to the next bedroom, it's the same size as the first one, same features. Lastly, we have the master bedroom, a lot bigger than the other two. The lighting in here is also different. You know, it's similar to the one in the living room. Very nice. Now over to the two bedrooms. There's not much difference except maybe the floor plan and the fact that it's one bedroom less, you know. Nevertheless, let me just give you a brief tour. Great. So out here, there's a decent garden and you can always come here, relax under the shade. You know, if you have kids, plenty of room for them to play. Okay. The parking space is also enough for all the 6 residents. Like I told you, we only have 3 units for 2 bedroom and 3 of them for 2 bedroom. So even if all of you, you know, own cars, there's enough space for you. And that's it. That's it. The 2 bed goes for 27,000 Kenya shillings and the 3 bed is available for 35,000 Kenya shillings. Location is Barnabas and the establishment is actually near various amenities, you know. And this is the bonus here. This place is near some cool, you know, some cool spots such as you know, Himaya Gardens on the background, all right. Buraha Zenoni Hotel and Resort is just around here. And even, I mean, from the road, all right, from the Nakuru-Nairobi highway, it's just 300 meters in. Otherwise, go and watch episode 4 of Nakuru Beyond the City, Barnabas. In that episode, I covered Barnabas. So you can get to know Barnabas at large, you know. Go and watch that episode. And up to that point, see you in the next one.